with me.
I have.
No, I don't want.
But you want ice cream?
Hey, hello from Paphos. Lovely weather. 18.5 today. Plenty of locals walking by, blend with some tourists. Many of you in the channel ask me what to wear. As you can see, people wearing just a jacket because it's a little bit windy. It's not really necessary. I mean, the weather is lovely. They can see other people not even wearing a jacket. But on the daytime, yeah, you might need a jacket. I mean, on the night time for sure. Daytime, the temperature has been 17, 18 degrees lately. Now today is 18.5. So if you plan to take a walk at the night, you would definitely need a jacket as the temperature drops down to 10 degrees. On the daytime, if you walk by here by the harbor when it's windy, yeah, you will need something on top. So, good. Grazie, καλά. Bania cafe. Alykes still closed. 342 it's open, it's been open, didn't close at all. Down there Penguin is also stayed open. On this side most of the hotels are closed. Antasia Beach is open, Amavi Hotel, FPV Tours is still open. Which one was open otherwise? I don't know, the rest will open in March. That's funny. Well, now outside Anabelle Hotel. This is Alykes of Antasia Beach, they call it. Alexander the Great Hotel, ready for the season to start. Nice hotel, 4-star, and it's been here for a long time. I remember this hotel when I was a kid. But it's bought by Kanikat's group now, along with Olympic Lagoon, which was some Paphos before. Nice sandy beach in front of the Alexander Hotel. Of course, it's not ready yet. It will be clean soon for the new season. As a lot of figs came out. Right in front of the Alexander. Nice view from here. At the far edge is the Paphos Castle. What is the name of here, this cafe? This cafe, the name? So called. Cafe up here is closed, but people can still sit outside. It's closed, Tamara.
It's open.
How it's open? You see the door open?
Yes.
Ah, it's open. Like that. Okay, it's open. Amavi Hotel operational. We have some guests. Yes. The new hotel, I don't know, like it's like 5 years old. I do have some drone video when it was actually they were building it. I'll give you more details in the video when it was built. Maybe I should pop the photo of what was under construction. Antasia Cafe Beach Club, what they call it. Also pretty new. Right on Soda Beach. Fully working also. Antasia Beach Club. Now the hotel or apartment building is building under construction. supposed to play now.
Yeah.
Oops. This way. Teddy.
They bent over backwards.
Tokyo ma. Co dia lah? No. Side okay.
Um,
Okay.